This is a review of the Whistling Kettle tea kettle that I would highly recommend. This tea kettle is 12 cups, so that means that you could, pretty much the range to fit it in is about 12 cups total, and 48 ounces total as well too. What I like about it is that it has a handlebar where you could open it and close right here. So you can see that's the open, and then you could close it very easily like this, very easily. It could close back down like that. And what I like about it is that it has a handle right here. I like the black color where it has a handle here. And this, I do want to tell you that it is good quality glass and it's high quality glass. And overall, I've been using this for like over a year now, and I would highly recommend it to make your coffee, your tea, and pretty much pretty much everything. And overall, I would highly recommend it since it is very easy to use. And so far, I haven't had any problems with it either. Like I said, I use this pretty much every single day to cook, to make tea and coffee, and this hasn't given me any problems. So I would highly recommend this tea kettle from Whistling Kettle.